Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatih Alvareza. Today, I want to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus. Smoking is very bad for our health. It can make people sick, not only the person who smokes, but also the people around them. When someone smokes, other people can also breathe the smoke, and this is not good. It can make the air dirty and smell bad. We all want clean air when we are studying or walking around the campus. I think campus should be a clean and safe place for everyone. It is a place to learn, study, and meet friends. If people smoke, it makes the place uncomfortable. Some students don't like the smell of smoke, and some may have health problems like asthma. That's why smoking on campus area should not be allowed. The campus should give a good example to all students. We should show that we care about our health and about other people. If we stop smoking in campus area, more students will learn to live healthy and respect others. Maybe the campus can also make programs to help students want to stop smoking. We can also make the poster or campaigns to tell people that smoking is dangerous. I also think that if the campus becomes smoke-free, it will feel comfortable and fresh. Everyone can study better without bad smell or dirty air. It also makes our campus look more beautiful and clean. We all can be proud to study in a place that supports a healthy lifestyle. I believe smoking should not be allowed in campus area. It is not good for our health. It makes the air dirty and disrupts other people. Let's make our campus a clean, healthy, and happy place for everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatih Alvareza and I want to tell you about my presentation. What is a question word? Question words are very important in daily conversation. We use question words when we want to ask something, to get information, or to know more about a person, place, thing, or time. Without question words, it's hard to communicate clearly because we won't know how to ask the right question. There are several kinds of question words in English. Each of them has a different function and meaning. Let's talk about them one by one. First, who, what, where, which, why, how, what time, was, and when. Let's learn how to use question words. First is who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Example, who is your teacher? Who is very useful when we want to know about someone's identity or role. For example, if you are in class and someone gives a presentation, you can ask who made this slide. It's all about people. Next is what. We use what when we want to ask about things, animal, and action. Example, what is your favorite sport? It helps us when we want to know about something in general. Sometimes what can also be used to ask for opinion, like what do you think about smoking in campus? So that is one of the most common question words in daily conversation. Next is where. We use where when we want to ask about place. Example, where are you from? Next is when. We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Example, when is your birthday? These question words help us to know about time, like days, date, or moment. In the past, present, or future, it's very useful. when we want to make plans or know a schedule. Next is what time. We use what time when we want to ask about time or hour. For example, what time do you finish work? Next is which. We use which when we want to ask about choice or preference. For example, which is your apple? Next is why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. Example, why are you late? When we answer a question with why, we always begin with because. Next is whose. We use whose when we want to ask about ownership or permission or possession. Whose are these key? Next is how. We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Question: how do you make a cup of tea? Next is how. With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old, how much, how many, how often, how far, how long. Next is how long. We use how, sorry, next is how old. We use how old when we want to ask about age. How old are you? Example is how old are you? Next is how much or many. We use how much or many when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. The question: how much milk do you drink? We use much with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. Next is how often. We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. The example: how often does she study? Next is how far. We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Example: how far is it to Madrid? To Madrid. Next is how long. We use how long when we want to ask about duration or length. The example: how long is the movie? Question words are very important in English. They help us to make questions and communicate clearly with others. When we understand how to use question words, we can ask and answer questions more easily. That's all from me. Thank you.